How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello everybody. To do so, you may open up the Temu app first. And then once you open up Temu, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the U tab in the middle of the screen. And you will be taken to your profile page. Now from here, tap on the contact support, which is the headphone icon. Tap on it. And then after tapping on it, support page opens up. So wait for the page to load up, and from this interface, select the last option called contact us, tap on it. And after tapping on it, you need to go ahead and type in I need my refund in this box and hit send. After doing so, wait for the response. And you need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. So in order to do so, you need to log into correct account to find your order. And after doing so, they should probably help you out in order to refund your item. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.